So have you ever dreamed of living in the biggest house in St. Paul?
I'm Ambrosia with Equity Recipe, and I gotta tell you, I'm so glad I do not have to renovate this, because at the end of the day, this is too large.
Today, guys, I'm gonna show you 3 historic mansions in 3 different neighborhoods in St. Paul. So the first house I wanna show you is the famous James J. Hill Mansion, classic St. Paul. Now, Hill was the owner of the Great Northern Railway Company, which ran trains from St. Paul all the way to Seattle. It's hard to imagine it now, you guys, but in the late 1800s, St. Paul was a booming center of trade. There were so many beautiful old mansions to be seen or toured, and guess what? Sometimes they wind up on the market. Just down the hill over 35E is another famous local mansion, the Alexandar Ramsey House. Ramsey County is named after Alexandar Ramsey, who is a St. Paul mayor, a Minnesota governor, a Minnesota senator, even a U.S. Secretary of War. Last, we're gonna go visit somewhere where there used to be so many mansions.
So now we're at the site of our state capitol, which is also right on the border of the Frogtown neighborhood. If you don't know what the Frogtown neighborhood is or where it starts where University in Sherburne is, which is right on the other side. The reason I want to talk about it is because they used to have this amazing, gorgeous mansion district.
I have a hard time believing it. If you know anything about Frogtown, you just wouldn't think that it was once where a bunch of people built their mansions, but it was. Now, would you want to live in a mansion? Let us know, guys. What do you want to hear from us? What do you want to see from us? We would love to do a lot more videos, and we want to do what you guys want. So tell us below. Thanks so much for watching the channel.